Hello everyone, my name is Camille. With the rising price of groceries this year, I decided to plant a garden. And I had watched several videos on YouTube about what you can find at Dollar Tree for the garden. And here's my Dollar Tree haul that I got. First of all, I got potting soil, which I was shocked that was there. I got this tomato, it's a tomato grow kit. I also got 12 bags of seeds, all kinds of seeds, carrots, lettuce, you name it, thyme, parsley, oregano, peppers, cucumbers, squash, eggplant, carrots, cantaloupe. I got all kinds of seeds, peas. I got these gardening gloves to garden with. I got these little pots to start my seeds in. I got 2 of them. I got these are plant labels. I got a basil starter grow kit. I got, let me see, what is this? This is plant clips. You know how to hold your plants once they start growing. I got these little planters to put my pots in. I thought this was really neat. I got these pots to start to grow my plants in. I got 5 of each. Oops, sorry. But yeah, these pots were, I got blue and I got the brown ones. Gosh, here we go, here are the brown ones. There you go, the brown ones and the blue ones. I got these pink gardening, the watering pots that you can water with. I got 2 of those. I got a kneeling pad that you can kneel on. And I also found these. I was wanting these so bad. They have these stackable ones there that you can plant, the stackable planters. And so this was my haul from Dollar Tree, and it was beautiful. I was like, oh my goodness, what you can find at Dollar Tree. Oh yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you can find the same thing at your Dollar Tree. Okay? Have a good day. Bye.